Roxy. Hi, Rox. Poor princess has to wear a cone.
I'll go get that inflatable, and then she can wear that till tomorrow. Yay! Go potty. Go potty.
Holly. There's Holly girl. And Lona. Lona. Hi, Lona. Hi, sweetie. And there's Kit. Hey, Kit. Hi, sweetie. Hi, girl. And Ricky. Ricky Ricardo.
Feels so good.
There's Rusty. Rusty got brushed by Viv today and so fluffy. You're so fluffy.
There we go. There we go. Gabby.
Oh, Gabby. Yay. Hi, cute little Gabby girl. Hi. So cute.
Look at that face. You can play with Brandy. Yes.
Cute little girl.
She is.
You're little.
You're so cute.
Dingus. Hi, Dingus.
She'll hold your little hand.
See that?
Hi, Windsor.
Look at this. Her little paw will curve around.
Hi, Windsor.
Little baby. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay.
There's Molly. Hi, Molly.
Mama's girl, huh? There's Mama's girl. This is Laura. I love you.
There's
my other
Danny. Hi, Danny boy.
one. Yeah, there's my kids. Yeah.
They're so cute.
Lola, what's in there?
Lola. Lola. Come here, Lola. Hi, Lola. Hello, Rex's. Rex, you little knucklehead. Hi, sweeties. Hi, sweeties. Oh, I just love my Roxy girl. Yes, I do. I love you. You're a cute baby.
Hi, kid.
Rex. Rexy. What are you doing, Rex?
Hey.
What are you doing, Rex? There's Brandy. Hi, Brandy. Where are you going?
Hi, Brandy. I just took his sweater off.
Sleeping from the ceiling.
Say we
so
turned down the heaters
you
and
are.
everything. Yeah. Jump up. Oh,
Oh,
why do you do that? Why do you do that?
cute babies. Should we go over here? Are you trying to get a drink, little princess? Here, let's go and see if who's in here. I think Rue's in here. You gonna go? Go ahead. Go ahead, everyone. Go ahead, Rexy. Yeah. There's our Rue. Hi, Rue buddy. Hi, Rue buddy. You just resting? Huh? Taking a little nap? Kit. Cute pups.
Hello, Windsor.
You guys coming? Come on. Brandy, you coming?
Come on, babies. Okay. Hey. Nice. Nice. Nice to get
Hi, princess.
I'm just trying to get a drink.
Princess.
Okay, I'm gonna have to. Maybe we can fold this back.
Yeah, it might be able to do that. Ricky, who are you going to play with? You've been playing all day. There's Gabby. The little Gabby that just got here, Gabby girl. Hi, cute Gabby. You're so cute. Everyone wants to say hi to you. Hi, sweet girl. Oh, Lola. Lona. Lona girl. All right. Windsor.
Hey.
Windsor. Do you like brandy? Huh? All right, guys. We'll see you next time.